Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can embed an Instagram feed on your WordPress site. So let's dive in. First you have to go to plugins and install a plugin named Smash Balloon. Once installed, activate it, and after that go to setting of the plugins, and here you have to go to the manage sources and add a source. For this to work, you first have to log into your Instagram account here on your PC. So as I already log in, after I go to the add source, I will just click on login with Instagram, and here you can also select if you have a business account. You will have to select a business account and allow it. It will need a few permission. Don't worry about your password. It's only get access to images. So once it's connected, you have to go to the all feeds, and here click on create. Here you have to click on add new, and this option will fetch your post from your Instagram timeline, and below are the pro feature. If you need these features, you can also install its pro version, but I think the free version do the job. So I will click on next, and here as we connected our Instagram, if you connect a few other in your Instagram account, you can also select that one from there. So as I connect this one, I will select this one and click on next. So here you can customize your Instagram feed. From here you can select the layout, but in free version you can select only grid layout, and you can also select how many posts you want to show on your feed, as here it's selected 20, and also you can customize the column like this, and after that you can also select the themes like light, dark, but I will suggest you to select the inherit option. And after that here you can also customize the load more button. If you want to change a text, you can also change it from here and select its color, and after that you can also customize the follow button and change its text if you want. Once you are done, you have to click on save, and once you saved, go to a page where you want to put this Instagram feed and click on add new. Here you can insert this Instagram feed using two methods. The first one is from this plus button. Click on this plus button and click on Instagram feed, and it will be embed automatically. The second option you can do is type slash and type the Instagram feed, as you can see. Once done, click on publish and see the page. It will be shown like this. You can also change this image from here. Let me show you. Go to the all feed, edit it, and here you can, in the header, you can add your image from there. So I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a thumb, and to subscribe if you are new. Bye bye.